Hello teacher, my name is Leonardo Campo. This is my English assignment. I will talk about the following movies. Comedy. Happening yesterday. Some guy use can and only Vegas. Movie description. It's a comedy that show what can happen with a bachelor party and lot of alcohol. Parents, many people have going through that experience of not remembering what they did the night before, especially of floating actors. Those feel Harlan stood. Um, 2 days before, those within his three best friends decide to drive for a trip they will never forget in their lives. The three friends do wake up the next morning with a terrible headache. I cannot remember a thing. Your hotel, your hostel roam in the mist, dirt and feeling hard. They encountered various things in the suite, including a tiger in the bathroom and 6 months old baby in the clothes, and a strong child. Apple bottle and chicken finish chapped the chows, and they can remember anything and that happened the night before, and the world is yet to come. They cannot find doubt. The ground we must be married in less than 24 hours, and with no clue to what has happened and lead time. The trio must reboot the nights before to wonders where they lost control, and being though in time for his Los Angeles wedding. Uh, other other movies that I like is the action. In United is by Bad Boys. Movie description. Um, it it sounds like a lie, but it's been almost 17 years since we last saw Will Smith and Martin Lauer play Mick and Marcus by Boys 2. Released in the 2023 was also made to wait as it hit theaters 8 years old. The third part, which she saw in the 1995, Actor actor is Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. In this movie is about the policeman who, apart from being homeworkers, are best friends. I like the part where Will falls in love with Martin's sister, which he does not like at friends. Um, but Wood ends up exception, and in the end everything is excellent. Another movie is the of terror, Games Macabros. And this movie is do my liking, but it is very horrible because of the way sacrifice is victims. This actor is through psycho. Um, Thank you, teacher. Excuse me, teacher. We need we need time. All this movie is very very important, very interesting. There is action, comedia, and terror.